What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, we've got a celebrity on the channel today. This is Mark's car. You saw it in the booth at Foxtoberfest last year, and of course we've shared it on the channel a bunch of times. Car is absolutely amazing. So we're going to do a little quick feature, a little driving, a little showing off of one of the baddest Fox bodies in the country. So let's go. All right, guys, so here's the deal. This is Mark. Mark, you built the best fucking Fox body, ooh, excuse my language, in the country. The car is insane. Just quick overview, like what's the what on the car?
So the car is it's an 88 coupe. I've had it since 07. Put it on a rotisserie in like 08 and never got time to finish it till about 4 years ago, actually about 5 years ago. And you know, I'm a diehard pushrod Ford guy, so I've always, you know, even though the Coyote's out there, I always wanted to stay with a pushrod motor because they're just more durable in the end. Right. The motor's a small block Ford Windsor. Got big high ports on it, all custom massage top end. I spent hours and hours porting, polishing, and doing all the head work, and built the motor myself in my garage. John Cossey did all the machine work on it. Yeah. It's all custom turbo kit by me. Twin Precision 7675s. It's got a chiseled air to water under the dash. All UPR front suspension. There's piece and parts of UPR rear suspension. It's got Lions Custom Motorsports Fab 9-inch in it. Strange, all the guts, Strange third member. It's got an aftermarket Ford, guys, I'm sorry, but it is a 400 base, but it's aftermarket, and there's nothing Chevrolet in it, so I know I get a lot of hate mail about that. But other than that, I painted in my garage. I built it all in my garage. I probably got 300 to 3,500 hours in it. Wow. Tim Lyons did all the cage work in it. It was just a time constraint for me. I wanted to build it myself, but he's right down the road, and he's awesome with Fox bodies, so I just let him have free will at it. And he killed it. Yeah, he did a really good job. Got it tight like I wanted it to. So other than that, I mean, it's you know, it's a long build. It's got all Fuel Tech EFI stuff on it. All custom harness. I built all the harness, did all the wiring myself. Man, it's just, there's just so much stuff in this car. People have no idea. It's literally 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound sack. I mean, it's a lot of car. Love it. And that's about it.
So we actually had a little bit of an issue when we were wrapping up this video. We did a sick ride along, which if you go to my Facebook page, you get to see that. We did kind of a sketchy pull in Mexico on the car, and when I went to edit the video and actually bring it to you, I had an SD card failure issue, and so I have basically none of it. So essentially I'm just going to wrap it up and just kind of walk around, let you see it again, and I'm sure Mark and I will probably get together like Foxtoberfest, something like that, and try that again. But as crazy as Mustang Week was, we just didn't have the time, and so just had to wave a white flag on that deal. So technology sucks. This car definitely doesn't. Absolutely love it. All right, guys, so they're about to do the awards. We're gonna get out of here. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and catch up with you later.